Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to change your dark mode logo on WordPress Blocksy Mobile. Alright, so we have our mobile version here of our website, and we have our off-canvas menu. We have our logo here too, as well as our logo over here. We have our dark mode button here, a color switcher. You can see it doesn't really change our logo here. And let's click on this again. And you can see it doesn't really change our logo here too. So what we could do is we could go to our customizer. Okay, and from here we can click on header. And we have our logo here, right? And we can change our logo for the dark mode version under the settings here. So let's click this one, all right? Just to be our dark mode logo. But keep in mind that the logo we have here on our main site is different from the logo on our off-canvas area. Okay, so if you wanted this to be dark mode, you'd have to use this one. It's just going to stay that way this whole time. So just quick demonstration. We'll click on dark mode. Here probably won't load because we didn't save anything, and it's just a preview. You can see when we click on dark mode, it changes the icon, but let's click on the dark mode here, and again, it won't change this one because this is a widget, not a logo in particular. Okay, so let's click on publish and review the changes on our actual site. Okay, here's our site again. Let's see the difference. Okay, so dark mode does change the font color. It also changes the color of our off-canvas menu. Let's reload our site and click on the dark mode button here. And you can see it does change the logo as well. However, it doesn't change this one. So that's the scope and limitations for this fix. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.